Alright, welcome to the first development video for Tower of Strife. This is a technical prototype of the game. It is currently still in development, and this will just show off the basic mechanics of the character and the general idea behind the levels. So right now, the character is presented with a puzzle in front of them, and the character can move left, right, back, forward, and can jump. Pretty much the basic controls for the default controls that were in Unity. And they look around with the mouse, and then these blocks are rigid bodies that would be used in a puzzle that they would need to push around and pull around to complete the puzzle. So currently I have a push button, and they can run into it and push it, and with collision of the character with the rigid body, the player is able to push the block. I have that working pretty well, and that was really easy to do, but I would like to implement a pull feature as well. So I'm trying to do a raycast with a rigid body and try to get that working. So currently I have it kind of working, it's just a little bit glitchy. So that's the pull that's attempting to work. I move away from the box quickly and quickly get out of the range, which is why it breaks it like that. But I can also push the box in that way. So yeah, that's what I'm still developing, but for now I'm sticking with the push feature and adding this little bar on the side so that it can't get stuck against the wall, because it'll collide with that, and the player can then go to the other side and push it away from it, so that way it won't get stuck against the wall. So the general idea behind these blocks is the way they were set up. The game is a puzzle platformer style game, so the player will have to solve puzzles and then be faced with platformer elements. So for example, in this they would solve the puzzle down here and come up here to then jump across it to get to the other side. They would jump on the blocks, but oh, it's too short to get up there. So then they would learn that they have to switch something around in the puzzle. In this case, they would need the taller box to be the last one so that they can get that extra distance up to the top. So they would push the blocks into their right place. And then would go try again to get up to the top. So here they come around, jump, jump. Let's see if I can do this on my first try, and up to the top. And then we're obviously trying to get up there. This is just an example level, so this is not what the game would actually look like. It's just the general idea of what the levels are going to, what challenges are going to be thrown at the players. So they'll then go up here, finish climbing the platforms, and then on to the next room. And they will continue to go up these different rooms and up through the tower to an end goal, to the top of the tower, essentially the end of the game. And that is the idea of Tower of Strife and where it is in its current development.